In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar. Whether you're new to Google Calendar or just looking for some tips to enhance your productivity, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive into the basics of getting started and making the most of this powerful planning tool. First, you'll want to open up Google Calendar. You can do this by going to the main calendar page on your browser. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The interface is pretty intuitive, with options to view your agenda by day, week, or month. Decide which view works best for you, depending on the level of detail you need. If you're planning your immediate schedule, a day or week view might be helpful. For a big picture overview, the month view can be more insightful. Now, when you're ready to add an event, simply click on the time slot that fits your schedule. This will bring up a dialog box where you can fill in the essential details for your event. If the default time doesn't quite fit, you can easily adjust it to suit your needs. Just click on the time, and you'll have the flexibility to select the exact hours that work best for you. Adding a title to your event is crucial for keeping your schedule organized. Be sure to make it descriptive enough so that when you glance at your calendar, you instantly know what's coming up. You can also add notes or location details if necessary. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, don't forget to hit save. That's it, you've successfully added an event to your calendar. If you find you need more than one calendar, perhaps a separate one for work, personal commitments, or a special project, creating a new calendar is straightforward. On the left side next to other calendars, click add other calendars. Choose create new calendar and you'll be prompted to name and describe your new calendar. Once you've done that, simply click create calendar and it's all set up for you to use. Google Calendar also offers a handy feature for managing appointments. To access this, click create in the top left corner, then select appointment schedule, fill in the details including a title, duration, and any other information necessary for the appointment. Once your schedule is laid out, you can click on the appointment schedule you've just created right on the calendar grid. This generates a link you can share with others, making it easy for them to book an appointment with you at their convenience. And there you have it, the essential steps for getting started with Google Calendar. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll be on your way to a more organized and efficient planning system in no time. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and making the most of these features to suit your individual needs. Happy scheduling!